Welcome back, guys. World tour is over. We had a good time over there in California. We got to test a bunch of stuff for the new car, but we don't have a ready car for the first round FD, which is not really a problem because we got this. Got a lot of work to do. Probably got like 5.5 weeks, I think, which I think we can do it. So we're gonna dive back into this thing. Already got back started. Cut the tunnel out. We're gonna weld that up probably in the next couple days. We're making new engine mounts. A bunch of packages came in while we were gone, so it's crunch time. So next couple videos, we're gonna be hammering at this thing, so we could be testing at least probably 2 weeks before FD. So that realistically, we need this thing running in like 3 weeks, which I'm pretty sure we can make happen. So let's get to it. Alright, cool. So what you just seen is I did make engine mounts and we made tranny mounts. Since you ended the car, I just kind of explain what's going on under here. We are going to probably be running, it's a 90% chance we'll be running Speed Tech for this season. That's still in the work. So I made sure I made a mount kit for the stock RB25 trans, which is going to have all the dog box stuff in there. I just have to make another mount. We still have the GSR dog box set up just in case things don't go as planned. But in that way we have both, so I can just swap really quick. So this is pretty easy, straightforward. As you can see, I use a stock mounting location, so that makes things nice and easy. Also, as you can see, we have a big hole in the floor. We got the trans tunnel cut out. We're waiting to get all the stuff bent up so we can make that. The reason being is we have to add a splatter shield since it's going to be stock bell housing, and it's not an SFI one. So if the clutch explodes, we're going to have a nice thick shield around there, and it's going to be a lot easier now. Let's put our hands up in here and work on the car, which is good. All right, cool. As far as the engine mounts go, I decided to do this one different. Instead of mounting on the subframe, we went right off of the frame rails. So I made plates to brace off of the frame rail, and then we just made, obviously, engine mount brackets. It is solid mounted, which is going to keep it from vibration and twisting, and clutch kick's going to feel a little bit better. But I haven't tried this before, but I think this is going to be a lot better than the old setup, because the old setup had the tube onto the aluminum subframe, and it was just like too much sprung weight from how far the engine was to the mount. And we did realize at the end of the season last year it started cracking, so I had to re-weld it and add a brace. So we're trying to avoid that. We'll try this, see how it works. Fun fact, this is the exact same engine when I built the other car. I used as a dummy engine. Now we have a dummy trans too, because that one has no guts in it, so it's nice and easy to lift now. As you can see, this is going to make it a lot more serviceable and easy. And then if we have to change the subframe, we don't have to unbolt the engine. We'll just drop the subframe out of the car, put another subframe in. So that aspect of it makes it good for competing and stuff. Next move is pull the engine out, wall up all the holes in the firewall, and then we'll just be waiting for the metal to finish the tunnel. Then the engine bay is pretty much done as far as sealing up. We'll paint the engine bay and probably the inside of the car, and then we'll move to like installing stuff permanently. We still got to take the engine out of the other car, but we want to do that as the last thing because I don't want to disable that car yet, because just in case we don't finish this in time or something goes wrong, we have the red car, which just needs like 2 minor changes to be to pass tech. But other than that, we should be good. was out here stealing some stuff out of this car to test in that car, and the scale showed up from my buddy Yusuf. So why not weigh the car and find out what it weighs, and then we'll keep it so we can weigh that car also when we're done. We need to be at 29, like loaded, with me in it. I think I need to be 29. This is the lowest it can be, either empty or loaded or something like that. So whatever, we'll read the rule book. So let's just see what this car weighs. That ain't too bad. I thought it was heavier. So it actually weighs 31.25. Without me in it, I think that's probably like maybe a full tank of gas, if not right under. And then add me. Yeah, let's add me in. Let's see what happens. So, as you can see, this car weighs 3,300 pounds about-ish with me in it. And 29 is the lowest we can be. So we got to try to get that car to be 29 without me in it, and then we can add me to it. And then we should be all right. So I think we'll end up at like 3,000 pounds. So it should be like 300 pounds or so lighter. Yeah, hopefully. I gotta lose some weight. All right, so the next step is, well, it's not really the next step yet. It's just that we gotta kind of maneuver around because the whole trans tunnel thing is this car. We're gonna do a smaller fuel cell. The last car had a 10-gallon. If we're trying to save weight, we need to do less fuel. We just got to remember to put fuel in it. Steve, Hayden. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is we bought the radium cage, and I think it'll fit perfect over here on this side. So we're gonna just chop some more. Try to make it fit here, make it level. I think I'm gonna run the gas filler out of this door now, not the door, the window. That'll make it easy, and then maybe we can put nitrous there. I don't know, but let's get to chopping. I'm deaf. You guys should definitely use headphones to cover your ear protection. I'm just gonna go assemble my over-expensive cage because I was too lazy to build one. So I flexed some money and bought one. Now I'm regretting it. It is pretty though. I can't believe I'm actually building a pro-level car for real, for real. Oh my god. I'm extra. Yeah, like, this gotta go past pro tech. Not no bullshit that they know me and I get by with it. Cool, so that was a test fit. Everything seems to be working good. Now we just got to box it in around the sides and everything, and then the next step will be making a firewall over it, because since the fuel tank is in the or cell is in the area where the passengers or the driver is, you got to have a separate firewall to make sure it's completely separate. So we'll mount this here, get it all boxed in, and then we need to make a firewall over that so I can be safe. So I'm gonna get to welding, and I'll get back to you guys after we get this all boxed in and stuff. Guys, welcome to, this is one of those random videos. We had nothing to post because the other car is still getting, yeah, we didn't have enough on the damn FD car for you guys. So we're gonna make something up as we go. We out here this weekend. We're supposed to be picking up a customer's car. The 800 The 800 horsepower package. He says something's wrong with it. Drove on the trailer fine, Scott. I know you're gonna see this. But anyways, we out here. We're gonna stop at Trilogy. They got a little meet going on today. So me and a couple of the boys, cameraman, we out here. Gonna hang out, see what Troy got going over here at Trilogy and Falcon Auto Lab. Let's go check them out.
Now that it's here, oh my gosh. God damn, the camera got bigger. Jesus Christ. Oh, shoot. What's going on? Professional right here. Yeah, we here. Fast and the Furious on the TV. The car was actually just signed yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah, Hector signed it yesterday. Come on, let me show you. Yeah, we paid $1,500. I didn't pay him, but Hector signed it yesterday. Fast and the Furious. He's like, damn, this needs to be the fastest one in the world if I'm gonna sign it. I'm like, bro, we already got one world record, you know what I mean? Yeah, we here. Yo, Jiggy, you ready? Yo, let's go, come on.
So I decided to get a car, and I decided to get this one that I know this drift car is like from Formula Drift, and I decided to get it.
That's good. You like the car? Hell yeah.
8,000 guys.
Hold on, whoa. I turned this on at the right time. He's crazy.
6 speed, 200. For 1,000. I did not pay 1,000. It was not 8,000 either. Definitely more than that. I'll pay 1,500 for it. No, for 200. Hold on. Wait, don't video yet. Hold on. All right, take 2. This is my 200 350Z, 6 speed. Only 4,000 in this color. You gotta make it sound like it's real. Listen, I don't know why. Look, it's on fire. Yo, what is going on? Yo, don't use water. Stop. None of the camera is on. I'm a professional. Hey, what is this? Yo, I'm a professional. Oh my God. Ah, this is not good. Yo, this is not good. Yo, we stop recording. Everybody stop.
Alright, cool. Back from by Troy's. Still waiting on parts for this. Next video we'll get into this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit random. We jumped around and stuff, but like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys next one.